In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to talk about your last Python assignment, at least for now. As I said before, the goal here was just to explore, because it's a grade 9 exploring tech course, just some of the basics in Python. There is so much more to learn. And this last assignment, before we move on, is just to have you get a chance to show me everything that we've done. So the purpose is to have something fun where you can write a program, basically any kind of idea that you want, where you prompt the user to enter their favorite something. It could be a number, a sound, a shoe, I don't care, whatever, just something fun. And then I'm going to show my example now, and then I'll post it on this as an exemplar. And then I'll come back and talk about the details of what I'm looking for in that code. I have my code here, and I purposely dragged it down below the screen so you can't see how I did it. And I'm going to run it as an example. And as always, my name, date, purpose, and then down below is all the details. So let's just give it a go and watch what happens. My fun thing is the amazing color critiquer. And then there's my introduction screen when it starts. And I prompt in a nice user-friendly format, please enter your first name. But anyways, and I press enter. Please enter your favorite color. In brackets, caps on, please. I'm trying to be user-friendly. Enter vert to quit. I'm critiquing color, so I'll explain later. This is a secret word that will quit my program. And vert is green in French for all you guys doing your French courses online and stuff. So I'm going to start off with red. I enter red, press in, and some of you can guess what my code's doing because out comes this statement. Well, Meyer, the Mazda red in metallic is one sick color. My wife has a new car and it's that red, excuse me, that red metallic from Mazda. It's a really nice color in the sunshine. It asked me the same question. So notice how this prompt comes up. That's the output, and then that same prompt comes up again. And this time I'm going to put orange. Now, some of you probably can guess why I'm forcing or asking the user to make sure the caps are long. Okay, somewhere in my code, I need to know that they've typed it in caps, otherwise I'm in trouble. Then, when I enter that, it pops up and says, listen, Meyer, orange is a fruit, not a color. Come on. Just as a joke, just having fun. And then it prompts me again for a color. So this time I'm going to put in blue. And it says, sorry, Meyer, but the color blue is not PC these days, politically correct. I'm just joking. I don't know whether it makes a difference. Next color. Meyer, the color brown is the color of my car. Metallic, of course. My car is a metallic brown. I was really good in the sunshine. Otherwise, it doesn't look so good. It's just for fun. Science people. White. Actually, the color white is not a color. It is a collection of all colors. And science people and art people, they know these things. If you ever seen a rainbow, you don't see white in there. You see all the colors, but you don't see white because it isn't a color. Enter your favorite color. Pink. And all of a sudden it says, sorry, Meyer, but you did not pick a color that is in my rainbow. For my program, I can capture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I wrote them down. Yeah, 5 colors. As soon as I pick something else, something in my code catches it and says, sorry, you didn't pick one that we know. My critiquer will not critique that color. Some of you know what's going on in the background to capture a string of characters. And again, no matter what I type, it says, nope, that's not in the rainbow. There was only certain colors that I was allowed to do. Okay, now if I type this, as the saying says, sorry, that's not in the rainbow, because my code doesn't acknowledge what to do if they didn't put the caps on. When I'm finally ready to quit the program, I can type the secret word, the killing word, the quitting word, and it's vert. Enter vert to quit. So I enter vert, and then it pops out as a closing statement. Thank you for using my color critique program. You critiqued 9 different colors today. That was fun. Like me on Instagram and Snapchat. Goodbye, Senior Vert. How did I do that? How did you know I did 9 colors? Let's see if that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I did put 9 in. But that's a mistake. It shouldn't count that because I didn't really want to check that color. That was my secret word to quit the program. And it shouldn't have done that. So there's a little mistake in the logic of my program. Not a syntax error, but I have a logic error. Okay, I can fix that after. So it's not a level 4 plus program. That's not bad. Now, let's look at what I'm looking for the assignment. Again, you can pick anything you want. I did favorite color. I don't care. Make something up. Have some fun with it. Try to make some funny but polite, nice, funny responses. You know, like not saying all my responses were that funny, kind of corny about the oranges and the stuff. But whatever. Just have some fun with that. Oops, where am I? As in any program in Python, what am I looking for? Comments, blank lines. Make it user-friendly for the other humans that read your code. You're using variable names that make sense and variable types that make sense. How did I catch white, red, blue? I had conditional statements. And I had multiple steps because I had 5 different colors I was trying to capture. If you've watched my videos, you know those are if statements. I had my program go around and around and around and just kept asking you to enter another color, another color, another color, another. It just kept going until that secret color stopped things. Some of you guessed it's a loop statement. And if you watch the videos, you'll see there was 2 types of loop statements. I'm not going to tell you which one I used, but if you watch the video, you have a pretty good idea, I'm sure. Did you use I/O statements properly? Input statements where you prompt the user to enter their name or their color or their age or their height or whatever. Output statements when you print to the screen. Are they coming out with good fonts and descriptions and stuff? User-friendly fonts, prompts, sorry, I guess that kind of connects what I just said. Opening and closing screens. Again, I did that. My opening screen had the big box around it and stuff. Not bad. My closing screen, level 2 maybe, level 1 minus. It's nothing that exciting. It is a closing screen, but nothing great there. Could clean that up a bit. And one significant and effective example of something different. In my code, I came up with this idea of counting how many times I entered different colors, and I counted 9. Well, okay, I counted wrong, 9, but it should only be 8. But I used the idea of counters, and I made it work. Lastly, please don't send me more screenshots with your phone. They're so awful to look at. Learn how to do a screenshot using your computer, your device. It's a skill that you will use a lot in your project work and stuff, especially, I'm sure, on this online thing. I posted it for Monday. I'm not sure that's enough time or not. You certainly can message me back and give it a go. If we need to change it, we will. That's it. Hope you enjoy it.